Pip's Adventure. Hello, I'm Pip, an average New York pigeon with scruffy feathers and scabby legs. I live in Central Park, a great place for finding a girlfriend or a shiny coin. The views are nice too, fountains and statues of important people. But it's also full of toddlers on scooters, moms who throw rubbish, and kids who think they're cool. Really, they're just boys with saggy trousers and too much hair gel. I stay here because of the old ladies who sit on benches and throw birdseed. One lady, Miss Ethel, is especially kind. She always brings fresh bread and barley. She's quite nice, really. One day, I was perched on the vacant plinth, an empty spot meant for a statue, trying to impress a sparrow when I heard footsteps. It was Miss Ethel. But those silly teenagers I mentioned earlier were sitting on her usual bench. She calmly sat next to them and started throwing birdseed. Suddenly, there was a loud scream. Those teenagers had stolen Miss Ethel's bag. I didn't know what to do, so I flew over them like a hero. The moldy bread I'd eaten gave me a tummy ache, and oops, I accidentally splattered them with pigeon poo. "Stupid pigeons!" they yelled, running away. I swooped down and returned Miss Ethel's bag. Maybe I didn't impress the sparrow, but guess what? After I saved Miss Ethel, I became famous. I was on TV and in the news. Best of all, the vacant plinth now has a grand statue of yours truly.